Are you sitting on a hidden fortune without even knowing it? In this video, we're diving into the incredible world of rare bicentennial $10 coins, the kind that could be worth millions today. These elusive treasures have turned lucky collectors into overnight millionaires, and you might just have one hiding in your collection. Don't miss out. Stay tuned as we reveal what makes these coins so valuable and how you can spot one that could change your life forever. Are you sitting on a hidden fortune without even knowing it? In this video, we're diving into the incredible world of rare bicentennial $10 coins, the kind that could be worth millions today. The United States bicentennial $10 coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history, and collectors are always on the lookout for rare variants that can fetch astounding prices in today's market. While most bicentennial coins were released in 1976 to celebrate America's 200th anniversary of independence, some special edition coins, particularly those minted in later years like 2008, have gained tremendous value due to their rarity, condition, and historical significance. These coins are not only prized for their unique designs, but also for their incredible potential to turn ordinary collectors into overnight millionaires. One of the key factors that make these bicentennial $10 coins so valuable is their rarity. Certain error coins, special mint marks, or unique finishes have made some pieces stand out among the rest. Coins struck with deep cameo proofs, mirror-like surfaces, or extraordinary die errors are known to command sky-high prices in auctions. Collectors and dealers alike constantly hunt for these gems, as they represent a combination of artistry, history, and scarcity that drives their value into the millions. Another reason these coins can be worth a fortune is their exceptional condition. Coins graded as MS-70 or PR-70, perfect mint state or proof, are extremely rare, and those that have remained untouched since their mintage are highly sought after. Even slight imperfections can significantly reduce their value, making flawless examples true treasures. Additionally, coins with impeccable luster, sharp details, and strong strikes often carry premium values, attracting elite collectors who are willing to pay staggering amounts. Some of the most valuable examples of these bicentennial $10 coins include error coins with misprints, double dies, or off-center strikes. These manufacturing mistakes are highly desirable because they are rare anomalies in the minting process. In the world of coin collecting, error coins are considered unique and often become the highlight of prestigious collections. For instance, a bicentennial $10 coin with a notable minting flaw once sold for over $1.5 million, turning its lucky owner into a millionaire overnight. The materials used in these coins also play a significant role in their value. While standard bicentennial coins were minted in copper, nickel, or silver, certain rare gold versions were specially struck as commemorative pieces. These gold variants are often held in high regard by collectors due to their precious metal content combined with their historical significance. Some rare gold specimens have sold for astonishing figures at major coin auctions, especially if they possess exceptional visual appeal or a unique backstory. Provenance and historical significance also boost the value of certain bicentennial $10 coins. Coins with ties to notable figures, important historical events, or rare presentation sets are often regarded as priceless artifacts. Collectors are willing to pay exceptional premiums for pieces with documented history, as these coins offer a deeper connection to America's rich past. The story behind the coin can often be as valuable as the coin itself, enhancing its desirability in the market. For those seeking to uncover one of these rare bicentennial treasures, it's crucial to understand the coin's characteristics and what makes it stand out. Factors such as the mint mark, Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco, the strike quality, and any unique identifying marks can significantly impact its value. Collectors are advised to consult reputable grading services such as PCGS or NGC to authenticate and evaluate their coins before selling, as this certification adds credibility and maximizes potential profits. The most astonishing part of these rare bicentennial $10 coins is their ability to transform an unsuspecting find into life-changing wealth. Stories of lucky individuals discovering valuable coins in old collections, forgotten drawers, or inherited estates are not uncommon. With patience, knowledge, and a keen eye, anyone could stumble upon one of these extraordinary coins, potentially unlocking a fortune that could make them a millionaire overnight. In conclusion, the bicentennial $10 coin is more than just a piece of American currency. It's a symbol of opportunity for collectors worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a casual enthusiast, the United States bicentennial $10 coin holds a unique place in numismatic history, and some rare editions from 2007 have skyrocketed in value, fetching millions in today's market. While bicentennial coins are generally linked to the 1976 celebrations of America's 200th anniversary, special releases and rare editions minted in later years like 2007 have captivated collectors worldwide. These coins are not just pieces of metal. They are hidden treasures that could make you a millionaire overnight if you're lucky enough to own one. One of the biggest reasons these 2007 bicentennial $10 coins are so valuable is their rarity. While standard bicentennial coins were widely produced, certain limited edition variants, error coins, and proof strikes are exceptionally rare. Some of these coins were struck with experimental finishes, unique minting techniques, or unusual designs, making them highly desirable. Collectors are willing to pay staggering amounts for these rare finds, especially those that stand out due to their minting flaws or distinctive characteristics. Condition plays a critical role in determining the value of these coins. Coins that have been preserved in pristine condition, graded as MS 70, perfect mint state, or PR 70, perfect proof, are extremely rare and can fetch enormous prices at auctions. Even minor scratches or blemishes can dramatically reduce a coin's value, so finding one in flawless condition is like striking gold. Coins sealed in protective holders from trusted grading services such as PCGS or NGC are especially valuable, as their authenticity and condition are fully certified. Error coins are another major factor that drives the value of these rare bicentennial $10 coins to jaw-dropping figures. Coins with double strikes, off-center errors, or unique die varieties are incredibly scarce and highly prized among collectors. These minting mistakes often create one-of-a-kind coins, making them the ultimate prize for serious numismatists. Some rare error bicentennial $10 coins from 2007 have sold for well over $1 million, instantly transforming their owner's financial status. The materials used in these coins also contribute to their extraordinary value. While most bicentennial coins were struck in standard copper, nickel, or silver, some ultra-rare 2007 editions were minted in gold or featured special gold-plated designs. These premium metals, combined with the coin's historical significance, make them highly desirable. Gold coins in particular, with their brilliant shine and impressive weight, often command record-breaking prices in auctions due to their scarcity. Provenance can further elevate the value of these coins. If a rare bicentennial $10 coin comes from a famous collection or was previously owned by a renowned collector, its value can increase dramatically. Coins with a documented history or a unique backstory often sell for far beyond their expected market value, as collectors crave pieces with a fascinating narrative tied to them. For those hoping to uncover one of these incredible bicentennial treasures, it's essential to understand what sets these coins apart. Key indicators like the mint mark, Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco, strike details, and any unusual characteristics can reveal if you're holding a rare gem. Examining your collection carefully and seeking expert evaluation from certified coin appraisers could be the key to identifying a life-changing discovery. The most exciting part is that these rare 2007 bicentennial $10 coins have been found in unexpected places, tucked away in forgotten collections, inherited coin sets, or even misidentified among common change. Countless stories exist of lucky individuals who unknowingly possessed a rare coin, only to realize later that they were sitting on a small fortune. This thrilling possibility makes coin collecting not just a hobby, but a treasure hunt filled with endless potential. In conclusion, the 2007 bicentennial $10 coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a potential windfall waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, keep a sharp eye on your coin collection. That seemingly ordinary coin could hold extraordinary value, capable of changing your life forever. If you suspect you have one of these rare treasures, don't rush to sell it cheaply. Its true worth could be far greater than you imagine. The world of coin